On behalf of Maharashtra Nursing Council, take this opportunity to welcome all the eminent guests for this day in the financial capital of India. We welcome you all. In spite of such a short notice of this event, we are very gracious that you all took time out of your busy schedule and made it to this event. Before we commence this day, we would like to welcome each one of you with a floral token of our love. Main event which took place during this year was airing of documentary and advertisements related to awareness of nursing profession and importance of qualified and registered nurses. So as a part of it, the documentaries which were aired on the leading channels of in Maharashtra, we would just display it for you. Just have a look and then we will start our day.
इतरांसाठी कठीण वाटणारी प्रक्रिया माझ्यासाठी मात्र सोपी आहे, कारण माझं याबाबत असलेलं शास्त्रोक्त आणि तंत्रशुद्ध शिक्षण.
Request our Madam Mangla Ezanchan to give an overview of Digital Maharashtra Nursing Council and e-governance, which has been
to each one of you, and thank you for making it. And I'll take you through the journey of Maharashtra Nursing Council, how from the old office we have come into the new office and how things have been going on. So just in 5-10 minutes I'll show you the overview. Digital MNC and e-governance. Our first goal was to achieve crystal clear transparency in MNC functioning, to provide prompt services to the nurses, to achieve cost effectiveness, to provide services to stakeholders at global level, to make services easily available, accessible and affordable. So these were our objectives for making a digital council and go along with Narendra Modi Sirji and our president also very active, very proactive, and he has been pushing us and we have come to this stage now. There are people who are trained illegally and they wear the uniform and they stand in the hospitals and people think they are nurses, and for that reason we have started a procedure of giving smart card where all the details of a nurse right from the training inception till the latest whatever are her achievements are encrypted in the smart card.
As far as I am concerned, I get a very good cooperation and briefing from your dynamic president, MNC. I only have to read his notes, prepare a matter, stand in the court, argue the matter. He makes my work very easy. That's your president. He may be known to you in medical field, but I know him from legal aspects of it. Therefore I call him very dynamic. I have to only read his notes and prepare a matter, argue the matter.
I would also like to say that President Sir has worked in the capacities or served in the capacities of magistrate in the Metropolitan Court of Mumbai. So nowhere any court case comes or anything as such comes, he will just talk in terms of where the act is all about. Just he will tell us the sections and we have to do the work.
License has its roots from the history. Nursing has emerged from the black era to the golden era. Our theme for the Golden Jubilee year is United for Nursing Excellence in Golden Era. Though it's in its infancy, but has seen spurious growth because of the vision of our Honorable President Dr. Ramling Mari sir. He has been the guiding force for the renaissance what Maharashtra Nursing Council has achieved. Though I cannot miss to acknowledge that he was supported all throughout by a wonderful team of council members. I welcome President Sir to speak on regulation of nursing profession.
First of all, I would like to say thank to Senior Advocate Vinayak Vaughan. It is equivalent to High Court of Judge of the High Court. He has spent his time only for nursing today. This is a great thing for nursing that senior advocates and level of judges are coming to our function. This is not only my achievement, this is achievement of nursing profession. We have to give big clap for this. Second personality is here. For nursing image development, is most important is we have to have lobbying. And the nurses are very poor in lobbying. And second thing, that personality is very interested in nursing profession. That is MLA from Karnataka, Bidar, Mr. Rahim sir. We have to definitely, we cannot forget this moment today. Some states people are here, other states. And this is what we have thought, why to coordination and cooperation is everywhere. But that replication is very less, very poor in India, replication. Whatever good things are there, that replication is not there. That's why we thought, why not to think about calling all the other state people, and accordingly we have planned this program. And on the stage, especially, I would say international guest is also available. That is Mr. Minchul Park, Dr. Minchul Park. I am very thankful to Karnataka specially group. Mr. Shiv Kumar, he is an eminent person from Karnataka. Mr. Venkatagiri, he is also second eminent person. Then Mr. Niranjan from Karnataka again. They have lobbied in Karnataka for nursing profession. And they are fighting for whatever lawfully what should be done. We have to definitely welcome them, but we cannot forget Maharashtra adjacent state is Karnataka. We are hand in hand going together. And they have lobbied to bring Rahim sir, MLA, to this program. It is their achievement. It is our achievement is there. We brought both of them. But they have achieved that Rahim Khan is with us. This legislation are made law. They have intention. And with that intention, they have achieved what I am saying. I am saying hand in hand. Thought came before me, it is implemented by Karnataka. And this is very important. For that, you will not think that this impact, this is a wrongful implementation of law, it is affecting nursing profession in India. This is affecting the nursing profession in India. One example I will tell you. See, physical infrastructure requirement for nursing is 53,000 square feet. Sir, for you, pleading in court, 53,000 it is made standards. But for homeopathic medical college, only 22,000 is required. See this Ayurvedic college, engineering college, 30,000 is required. What is the status, what is the requirement of nursing? They should stay in the institute or they should stay in the hospital. Where they have to work? Hospital. More important is hospital-based things should be more strict. This standard should be made. And ultimately, I am openly saying, because of this standard, see how it functions. Standard is raised. Ultimately, somebody is starting nursing education. Our inspector goes there. With 20,000 also they give permission. With 3,000 also give permission. With 500 also they give permission. This is not digesting. The Indian Nurses Association of India, New Delhi has to take initiative in this. Otherwise, if you are not there in 2040, but our generation will not spare us. Profession will be there, our generation will not spare us. Regulation of nursing profession is affecting due to wrong people, wrong policies without knowledge they are implementing.
Now I request Rahim Khan sir to share his views about today's confab. Welcome you, sir.
नर्सिंग प्रोफेशनल एक इतना इम्पोर्टेंट रूल है कि मैं समझता हूं हमारे खासकर हमारे कुरान में लिखा हुआ है कि बंदा खुदा से पूछता है कि मैं तुझको देखना चाहता हूं, तुझको मिलना चाहता हूं, तो वहां खुदा से रिप्लाई आता है तो नमाज रोजा हज करने से मैं नहीं मिलता, तू लोगों की अगर खिदमत करता है तो जरूर मैं तुझे मिलूंगा बोल के। और जब बच्चा पैदा होता है तो मां से पहले उसको नर्स हाथों से उठाती है। इतना बड़ा अधिकार, इतना बड़ा आपको वो वर्ड हम नहीं खुदा ही बता सकता है। ये नर्सिंग फील्ड का इतना इंपॉर्टेंस है।
Thank you, sir. Thank you for your enlightenment. Council's initiative of Smart Card for Smart Nurse has brought a revolution among the general public. The awareness of qualified registered nurse was aired through television and print media. So now every registered nurse is equipped with a pocket nurse registration smart card which is encrypted with all her professional details. I invite Honorable Dr. Nutan Mari Madam, Chairman Council Events Committee, to brief us about the SMART initiative of MNC.
Actually, this concept, we are hearing these words like smart city, smartphone, digital India, everything. So we thought that why we should not go with this smart word and to make this Maharashtra Nursing Council very smart among all these nursing council and this other state. As well as for the nurses, we had decided that our nurses should be very smart when they will get this smart card. So we moved forward to getting all this digitalization and smartness. Maharashtra Nursing Council has given me this additional responsibility to develop that documentary as well as advertisement for the Maharashtra Nursing Council. Because we know this in general public, in view of them, they are very much unaware about this nursing profession, their eligibility criteria for admission as well as scope and their job opportunities. The profession of nursing with a view of achievement into 2040. So for that, we need a person who would facilitate the talk, who has had to her laurels so many years of experience, at least more than what my age is. All our invitees are indeed contributing their best to the development of nursing profession in their respective states. The next 30 minutes will be this brainstorming session by a person who is not only an academician, but she believes live like you are to die tomorrow and learn as if you are going to live forever. So we have our Honorable Dr. Mrs. M.I. Momin Madam, Chairman, Education Committee, Maharashtra Nursing Council, to facilitate the open forum. I welcome you, ma'am.
Good evening to all. I admire only two people. Though now I have crossed 70, but still we admire some people. And my first born to win is Mr. Ramling Mari. He is born to win. Wherever he will put his question, he will bring the solution. And that positive towards him only means all our nursing, for our nursing profession. My second person whom I admire is Madam Anuradha Athawale. So TNI, Union and Council coming together and working for nursing is really bright future for our nurses. So rebirth in the sense, what is our future in 2040? Anita Devdar madam said, she may not be there. Whether I am there or not there, my profession will be there.
Mrs. Persis Shroff, who's the country manager for Health Carriers Private Limited, to kindly come.
What continuous nursing education does is it enables the nurses to maintain global relevance in the profession. There is a lot of research that happens globally, but unfortunately, very little penetrates through to the other countries all over the world. So we're trying to bring some best practices, particularly from Australia, into the nursing system here in India.
We approached MNC somewhere 1.5 years back with esteemed Dr. Madi. I met him, and being a very dynamic personality, he was very keen how do we want to get associated to MNC, and what are the curriculum and what are the course content which we will be delivering it.
Thank you, Mr. Iqbal. Thank you so much. Now, felicitation of associated partners. Thank you, sir. Thank you, ma'am. May your 4 programs become 40, 400, 4,000 in the coming years. Welcome. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you so much. On behalf of all the nursing fraternity of Maharashtra, I take this opportunity to thank each and every honorable member, and as a token of love, would like to felicitate each one of you for your enormous contribution for what we are today. After this day, when you go back to your respective states, you would definitely start a renaissance or a revolution to have such a council in your state.